In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use tasks in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear, trackable task so nothing slips through the cracks in your sales or follow-up process. First, let's open the Tasks module. Once you're logged into Zoho CRM, look at the top navigation bar. You should see a tab labeled Tasks. Go ahead and click that. This is your central hub for all to-dos inside the CRM. Any follow-up calls, emails, or internal reminders you create will live here, so it's a good idea to get comfortable navigating this area. Now, let's create a new task. Inside the Tasks module, look for the plus icon or a button that says Create Task. Click that to open the task creation form. This is where you'll define what the task is, when it needs to be done, and who or what it relates to. Start by filling in the basic details. In the subject field, give your task a clear name that tells you exactly what needs to happen. For example, you might write something like Follow up with prospect or Send proposal for new deal. Try to be specific so that when you see it later in a list of tasks, you don't have to guess what it means. Next, choose a due date. Click the date field and pick the deadline from the calendar. This helps Zoho CRM schedule and sort your tasks, and it also gives you a visual reminder of what needs to be done today, this week, or later in the month. Then, set the priority. You can usually choose between high, medium, or low. Use this to quickly see which tasks need your attention first. High priority might be time-sensitive follow-ups, while low priority could be more general reminders. After that, you'll want to associate the task with a record. Under fields like Related to or Contact Name, search for and select the lead, contact, or deal this task is about. Linking tasks to records keeps all your activity organized in one place. So when you open that contact or deal later, you can see the full history of what's been done and what's still pending. Now, set a reminder. Turn on the reminder option if you want an extra nudge before the task is due. You can usually choose to be notified by email or a browser pop-up and select the exact time that works best for you. This is especially helpful for important calls or follow-ups you absolutely cannot miss. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your task is now created, connected to the right record, and ready to keep you on track inside Zoho CRM.